They don't really want people walking out too much in the ferns because it destroys the vegetation. So they put these fences up. So we don't go over the fences. Look at these. Little Sorry about that. Somehow it restarted. We're back.
We're going in the forest. There's tons of branches fall down. Trees even fall down. So, yeah. Look, we're entering the forest.
It's an awesome cedar. Here, step back, Gabe, so I can show them the base.
Look at this. Look how tall it is. Compared to me. Look.
It is pretty big, isn't it?
It's taller than me. Way taller. Oh my god.
Termite damage and rot.
That tree fell down millions ago. Millions of years ago.
No, it didn't. Not that tree.
But some did.
Look at that tree. It starts big and then goes smaller, but it's really wide there. That's crazy. This tree is huge.
You found me.
Gabe, come back here.
Look, I found a cool stick. It's my hiking stick now. I use it to walk.
Sorry the video's late, guys. The video's here, and I'm still making videos. I'm gonna have a different place that'll be cool in the next video.
Yeah, tomorrow?
No, not tomorrow.
Why not tomorrow?
Yes, we have other stuff we have to do tomorrow, but we will be making another video soon. Look at these trees, aren't they cool?